For this exercise, we'll be continuing to work with the Customers Collection and IntelliShell from the previous exercise. We'll build the same statement, only this time using the Visual Query Builder to see how the tool can help simplify and often speed up the query building process. In the connection tree, right-click the Customers Collection node to open the collection in a new tab. Go to the Query Code tab. This tab displays the Mongo shell code used to retrieve the customer's collection. Notice that the code includes a comment about the required version of Mongo shell, along with a use statement that sets the context to the sales database. Next comes the find statement, which uses the getCollection method to specify the collection. Click the Visual Query Builder link near the top right to open a form for building queries. We'll start by adding the search condition that finds customers in Washington or Oregon. In the query section, click the Add button to expand the form to include options for defining a search condition. The first drop-down list includes the collection's fields. From the list, select address.state. The second drop-down list contains a list of operators. From the list, select the In option. In the text box beneath the two drop-down lists, type open quotes Washington, end quotes, comma, open quotes Oregon, end quotes. As you build your query, note that the query form at the top of the Collection tab also updates in real time. Click the Run button at the top right to run the query. The Query Code tab should also be updated to reflect the changes you made. Go to the Result tab and click the Count Documents link at the bottom of the tab to verify our results. The query should have returned 29 documents. Now, let's add our second search condition, customers with iPhones. In the Query section, click the Add button in the open text box to expand the form. From the first drop-down list, select the Device field option. From the second list, select the Contains operator. In the text box below, type iPhone. Click the Run button. Let's verify our results by expanding the first document. Since we don't need all of these fields, the next step is to limit our results to just the fields we want. We can select multiple fields by pressing Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac OS as we select the first, last, and username fields. Drag these to the text box in the projection section. Make sure the Include option is selected for each field. Lastly, we'll want to sort our final results by name in ascending order. Drag the last field to the text box in the Sort section. Drag the first field to the next text box in the Sort section. You should be ready to run the query. Click the Run button. The results should now include only 14 documents, and those documents should include only the _ID, first, last, and username fields. Go to the Query Code tab and view the find statement that Studio 3T generated when you ran the query. You can use this code in IntelliShell or copy it to the clipboard to use with other tools or applications. Leave the query results in place for the next exercise.